Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am really excited about this tutorial because I'm going to be using the new Tarte Cosmetics High Tides and Good Vibes palette. This is brand new from Tarte, and you guys, seriously, this is what makes me excited about makeup. When I see palettes that look like this, watch. It literally moves like the ocean. You gotta shake it up. Look at that. It is so cool. It literally looks like the ocean. So obviously I'm obsessed with the packaging and the colors inside. I mean, come on. These pressed glitters I was so excited about, and also happens to have my favorite color in here. All these blue eyeshadows. This palette, I needed it in my life when I saw it. So I did purchase this off the Tarte website, and I'm gonna have that link down below. I already did a blue look with this palette and I put it on my Instagram. So if you guys wanna check it out, it's kind of like a festival look with all those blue colors and the silver and blue glitter. Go to my Instagram, it's Victorialyn, and you can see how that look turned out. I wanted to do something completely different today. So I did this like rose gold and also like this champagne glitter eye, which I love. I love the way this look came out. I also thought, why not use the face tape foundation in this video because it's so new. So I'm gonna be demoing that for you guys in this video along with the new base tape primer, and I'm just gonna do a full like Shape Tape face here. I'm also trying this lip plumper. It's called the Sting Zing. I'll be trying that in this video, and then also a lipstick that I got from Tarte. Basically, it's like a full Tarte tutorial, and I'm using all of these new products from Tarte that I'm really excited about. So if you guys want to see how I got this look using this palette and some face tape, just keep on watching. So I figured since I'm gonna be using this palette in this video that I would go ahead and do my foundation on camera because I have the new face tape foundation. I've actually been using this for like 2 weeks now, so I feel like I know it pretty well and I really like it. This is a full coverage foundation. If you are not into extreme full coverage, you will probably not like this foundation. You just need the tiniest bit of this. Before I get into that, I'm actually gonna be using the Base Tape Hydrating Primer. This is new from Tarte, and this actually is meant to be used with the face tape foundation. I always wanna call it Shape Tape, but it's face tape. This is actually infused with coconut, so it smells like, literally when you smell it, it's like a tropical island. I love this scent, and it is really hydrating. I just take a little bit of it like this, and then work this into my skin, and I swear every time I smell this, all it makes me think of is being on a cruise or being on like the beach, like literally just being in the sun. So besides the scent, it is infused with grapeseed extract and jojoba. Not really sure what jojoba is, but it feels good. And it says that it hydrates your skin for 12 hours. And the cool thing about it is it does absorb really quickly into your skin. So if you don't like primers that sit on top, you'll really like this one because it just soaks in and your skin feels super hydrated and like ready for foundation. And if you do have like dry patches, this will make your face so baby soft, and it will really make your foundation look so much better. So now I'm gonna go in with the face tape foundation. I'm so glad that I actually went into store to get this foundation because I was so worried about the color. There's so many different shades in this foundation. I feel like I would have totally got something that was too light for me. So I got 20S Light Sand. One thing to be aware of, you guys, is this foundation oxidizes so much. So I suggest when you go try this on in store, put a few shades on the back of your hand or on your face, walk around the store and just wait to see what color matches you. And I would wait probably like 20 minutes because once this oxidizes, this is my perfect match. I'm gonna put this on. It's probably gonna be scary at first because it's like a mask, but it will match me, I promise. When I got this foundation, it made me want to use some of my Tarte brushes. So I have this brush, I'm not sure what it's called, but I will link it down below. It's like a double-sided foundation brush. I warn you guys about this foundation. You literally need the smallest amount. I'm gonna do like that. And I just like to dot it super evenly on my face because I feel like it just covers more evenly when I dot it. It also says that this foundation is transfer proof, it's waterproof, and it has like this smoothing look to it, like a filter. That's what I read on their website, that it's like an Instagram filter. And honestly, I can say that it really is. And it basically, from what I can tell, is just like the Shape Tape concealer, but in a foundation bottle. I'm gonna add a little bit more right here along my jawline because I'm having a bit of like a little breakout right now. So I'm just gonna do like about a half a pump more of this just to cover that area. Also, you guys, this foundation is infused with snow mushroom extract. It's also infused with apple fruit extract and then hyaluronic acid. I love using products with hyaluronic acid. I just used some eye patches this morning that have hyaluronic acid in them, and I am in love. It's like the most hydrating thing in the world. So you guys could see this literally covered all of the redness that I had around those pimples so well. Oh my gosh. Putting this on is basically like putting on a new face, which I like. You can literally cover up anything with this foundation. Dark spots, discoloration. Put this under your eyes and it's honestly just as good as a concealer, but because I have the concealer, I'm gonna use the concealer with it. So I have been using this concealer honestly since it came out. Since I heard about it coming out years ago, I was like, I need that. I think that Lee was using this concealer on QVC or something. I saw her using it and it made me want it so bad. And ever since I used this, honestly, a lot of concealers just don't compare. So I'm using the other end of my little Tarte brush. These two products together, the foundation and the Shape Tape, are like a match made in heaven. I love this. And this has been like one of my favorite bases to do for a while now. So what I'm gonna do is finish my brows and I'm gonna go ahead and set my face and then I will be back so we can play with this baby. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and did this eye and we're gonna be doing this one together. I finished like my bronzer and my brows just so I could get that out of the way and we can focus more on this palette. You guys, this palette, I think this is my favorite palette that I've seen, like honestly this year. Like I love it so much. Look at how the water like moves, like watch. This is the High Tides and Good Vibes palette and it retails for $39 on the Tarte website. And the weight of it, just so you guys know, it's a very heavy palette. It's definitely like more of like a luxury feeling palette, which I love. I love how it feels and how it looks. And honestly, this is the prettiest palette that I've seen in a really long time. And it's probably my favorite palette from Tarte. When you take a look inside, there are tons of blues in here. I felt like doing something more wearable today with the golds and the pinks. These in the middle, those are all pressed glitters, so you don't need any glitter adhesives or anything. You can just apply them with your fingers. And now I'm just gonna quit talking and show you guys how I apply them. So I always get questions from you guys about the eye base I use. This is by P. Louise. This is a huge base. They actually make them smaller. They make them in this size too, but I believe this one's still available as well. I will link it down below, the website that I buy this from. It is their website. I just warn you guys, it's gonna probably take you a while to get this, but it's usually like a 2-month thing for me, or like a month. Their customer service isn't really great, and overall, just getting your product that you've ordered does not really come in fast, unless you're on their PR list or something like that, where you get it like instantly. But your girl is not on their PR, so I did purchase this, and this took forever to get like to my house. It is a great eye base though, so I highly recommend it. It's really good, but they do come in different sizes and there's different colors and everything. I use shade number 2, the Rumor, and these are both that shade. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this base, probably like this much, and I put it on my eyelid. So the first shade I'm picking up is a super soft caramel shade called Beach Therapy. And I'm just gonna use a little fluffy Morphe M433 brush. I love this brush. Also Tarte eyeshadows, the scent of them. This is such a good transition color. It's just a really nice, like warm, light brown color. So I'm next gonna pick up this shade here, and it's called Aloha Beaches. Tarte. I'm using this on my Esum S33 brush. And I'm gonna start in the outer corner and then just work that color into my crease. I'm next gonna pick up the shade South Beach, which is like the pink in the palette. It's a really pretty like peachy pink color. And I'm just gonna apply that all over my lid. This is one of my favorite colors in the palette, like next to that minty blue. I love this color. So now is the fun part. I'm so excited to show you guys these glitters. So I'm first gonna go in with Champagne Beach. So you don't have to use any adhesive. This is literally just me rubbing my finger in, that's all. What I'm gonna do first is I'm just gonna lay down the glitter on my eye and then I'll go in with a brush. This might be the easiest glitter I have ever used, like the easiest to apply. So now I'm gonna fade this kind of golden champagne glitter into the peach kind of pink glitter that's in this palette. It's a really pretty color. I'm just gonna do the same thing. I'm just picking this up with my finger and then I'm gonna use a brush to like blend it a little bit. So pretty. I can't get over this glitter. I love it. I just want it in every shade and every color. I'm gonna go back in with this shade called South Beach. And I'm just gonna pick that up on a little pencil brush and I'm gonna use that on the lower lash line. This is like the only color that I used. I just wanted the lower lash line to just have like that pop of peach. And I just connected that up into the eyeshadow on top. I'm gonna use the Tarte Fake Awake liner. They also have a liner called the Inner Rim Liner, which is like this kind of nude color. I love this eyeliner because it literally makes your eyes look so much bigger. If you're not into wearing dark eyeliner in your waterline, definitely check this out. Because this isn't like that stark white color, but it's like a nude. It's so nice. Now I'm just gonna pop on some mascara, and the lashes I'm wearing are actually from Tarte. They're in the style Wifey, and these might be my new favorite lashes right now. Before I do that, I'm gonna apply this Tarte Sting Zing. It's like a lip plumper. I haven't tried it before, but I really wanna try it right now, and my lips are feeling really dry, so I thought, why not? It has these little jellyfish on it. It's so cute. So I'm gonna pop this on my lips. In the meantime, while I'm doing my mascara, let's have a little catch up. I hope you guys are doing good. I am actually going to get my hair done tomorrow. This is like the first time I've gotten my hair done in so long, in years. I haven't dyed my hair in a really long time, and tomorrow I'm getting balayage. I'm actually kind of nervous about it. I hope that it looks good. I haven't ever done balayage before. I've done highlights. I've literally been completely blonde, but I'm getting like balayage done, and hopefully it kind of like brings some more like light to my face. I don't know. I feel like when you get highlights, it just brighten up your face, and I love the way highlights look, but I just haven't gotten them in so long because my hair was so damaged that I really wanted to give my hair a break for a really long time. Ooh, I can really feel this lip plumper is working. So I've been using this Tarte Pro blush palette since it came out. I actually purchased this as soon as I saw it came out because I loved all the colors in here. It actually has like bronzer, highlight, and blush. So I'm gonna use this color here. This is my favorite shade in the palette, and I'm just gonna add some blush to my cheeks. The cool thing about this palette is it just literally has everything, and sometimes I just mix all the colors together. Love this color. It's like the perfect like strawberry pink. I'm gonna use the highlight that's in here as well, so it's just right up here. It's like this really pretty golden shade, like a champagne color, and it's actually pretty intense, as you can see. Don't sleep on these Tarte highlights, you guys. They're really pretty. So I'm gonna go over my lipstick because they're pretty red. And I'm gonna use this really pretty lipstick. It's in the shade Open Bar, and this is also by Tarte. So I'm gonna take the highlighter that is in the Pro Blush palette, and I'm gonna use this to add some glow to my chest. So in my tutorial I did with the blue shades with this palette, I use like glitter. So for this one, I want to do something a little bit more bronzy. So I'm just going to be using this highlight. I'm gonna use the Mer-Mist just to spray all over my chest, and this is actually a shimmer spray. So there's powder inside, and you can see when you shake it up, all of the glitter that's in it is so pretty. So I'm gonna use this all over my chest. You can actually use this on your face too, so why not? You see the glow. It's so nice. I've been having a really hard time finding this lately. I don't know if it's discontinued or not, but I know that I saw it somewhere. So I'm gonna link it down below for you guys to check out. along with all of the other products I used in this tutorial. This is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I am so in love with this palette. I highly recommend it to you guys. I've had some time to play with it and I just really love it. I think what I really love about it is it has blues in it. I know some of you guys are sick of seeing me use blue eyeshadow, but I will never stop loving blue eyeshadow. It's my favorite, and blue is my favorite color. This right here is my absolute favorite color in the entire universe. It is so pretty, and I love that it's in this palette. I love the weight of this palette. I love how it feels, how it looks, how it blends, and the pressed glitters just make it even more amazing. So highly recommend this to you guys. Definitely check it out if you are into pressed glitters and if you like this look that I created. Also, I'm not sure if this lip plumper, the Sting Zing, it made my lipstick feel so much more like soft when I applied this over top, and I don't know why, but I love these two together. Like, they feel really nice. This lipstick is so pretty. I love this color. Before you guys go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials from me, and leave me a comment down below what your current favorite eyeshadow palette is right now, or what palettes you'd like to see me use here on my YouTube channel. This one is my current fave, and I would love to know what yours is. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will see you in my next tutorial.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight.